Hi, I'm Dinesh, working as a Java developer in Spire Solutions Private Limited, and I'm going to explain the project Privilege Management in Healthcare Grid. And it comes under domain grid computing. And grid computing is nothing but a system which can do multi-process simultaneously. For example, you can consider as a distributed system as a grid computing. And in this project, what I'm doing is implementing a healthcare in grid. In existing, they didn't implement a healthcare in grid. We are implementing a healthcare in grid with a high security, and I'm going to explain the full-fledged project by using the system architecture available over this slideshow. In the system architecture, the user enters into a user agent. The user agent will be providing the ID for the user. Okay, the ID may be a username or password, and the user will be entering into it. And there is an access control layer, which will be checking the user authentication with respect to username and password. And after access control layer, the user will be allowed to into healthcare. The user will be requesting for a resources which is maintained in the database, and the resources is maintained in the database, and the policies also available in the database. The policies means for which user the resources is accessed can be maintained in the policies. Okay, if the patients enter and he makes a request to the grid acts as a middleware. It will be getting the request from the user, and it will be checking whether the user is authenticated or not with respect to the policies available in the database. And if it is authenticated user, he will be allowed to access the resources, or he will not be allowed to access the resources. The same way, the doctor enters and he will be allowed to access, he will be requesting a resources, and he will be checked whether he is authenticated or not by checking with the policies available in the healthcare. So, in database. Then the user makes an appointment fixing with the doctor, and this process will be done by the grid. The grid will be doing the appointment fixing with the doctor, as well as the query posted by the user will be sent to the grid, will be sent to the doctor, and with a corresponding doctor. The doctor will be responding with the effective response to the patient, and this process made available in the grid, and these grids look after the appointment fixing as well as the query posting and the authentication process in the healthcare. This is all about my project. Thank you.